Hello, Cardinals. We're going to take a couple minutes here to look through what Flex's Schedule is going to look like on the student end. What we're going to be using Flex's Schedule for is for our students to schedule your enrichment activities during our win time. The first thing you need to look for when you get to Flex's Schedule is to make sure at the top here that your name is currently there. Your name should be showing up in the area that says AJ Johnson. Right below that, you're going to see our win scheduling. We have our Monday through Thursday schedule and our Friday schedule. What you can see here is that AJ on Monday through Thursday is currently not scheduled for a win activity. That is why this is blank. For Friday, right now, AJ has been selected by Mr. Bebo to come with 5th and 6th grade general music. If you've been selected and there's a red check mark right here, that means that you cannot change that selection for that 2-week window. You have been selected by the teacher, and that is the location that you will be going. If these two are blank, what we're going to focus on is scheduling the Monday through Thursday activity. Friday will be scheduled by your teachers for you. There are 2 ways to schedule your activity. First is scrolling down to look through the enrichment menu for all teachers here. One quick note, display entries. Right now, I'm only seeing 10 staff members. If I change this to all, I will be able to scroll on one page and see all of the enrichment activities offered for that weekly window. To find an activity you want, look for the explanation of what that class and what that teacher is doing. So Mrs. Goshi is going to be working on making ice cream and tasting ice cream. Ms. Bevere is going to be playing board games in the boardroom, and so forth. One thing to keep in mind, check to see if there are any restrictions. Right here, Mrs. Goshi has her activity restricted to 7th grade students. If you are not a 7th grade student, you will not be able to select this activity. Same with Mrs. Bevere, this is restricted to 5th grade students. So if I'm not a 5th grade student and I try to select this, I'll click on the enrichment. You are attempting to schedule Bevere. Click OK, and it'll tell me that I am not allowed to schedule that due to a restriction. Option 2 is to come to the top under Actions and hit this little pencil icon. That will bring me to a screen that looks like this. Again, we're focusing on the Monday through Thursday schedule. First, I can look by category, which would be the specific subject that I'm looking to go to, or by flex. That will show me all of the teachers and the activities that I'm able to go to. Since AJ is an 8th grade student, what AJ is now seeing is he is seeing a smaller selection of only 8th grade activities. AJ would like to go with Mr. Hicks for brain teasers. He is going to click on Mr. Hicks. It will upload right here. Now he is good to go. Like we talked about before on Friday, he has been teacher requested by Mr. Bebo. This is automatically loaded for him and he cannot change this. Once your schedule is selected, make sure everything loads here the way it's supposed to, and you are going to click Save. After AJ clicks Save, he's going to see in his screen at the top that it is loaded into where he needs to. Another action you can choose is to click this email icon right here. If AJ clicks this icon, it is going to send him an email of his schedule for the week. This is not required, as the website will be doing this for you, but it is something you can choose to do if you would like to. One reminder, our Monday through Thursday activities on a non-enrichment week will run for 2 weeks. Fridays will rotate every week. Since this week for MEA, these 3 days we are all doing enrichments, we are going to select an activity for these 3 days, and then next Monday we will select a new activity for our first 2-week rotation of WIN. Thank you.